Hey guys, this is Subhash Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We will write a program to check if the given number is palindrome or not. So, the very first thing you need to understand what is a palindrome number, how you will know whether this number is palindrome or not. So, for that first of all you need to understand what is the meaning of palindrome. So, a palindrome number is a number which reverse is equal to the original number. What that means? It means if you will reverse the same number, you will find the number itself. For example, I am just giving one example 121. Okay. So, if you will do the reverse of this number, what you will get? You will get same only, right, 1 to 1, because here you are seeing 1 to 1. If you will reverse from this order, right, 1 to 1. Similarly, if you will write 2 1 2, okay, you just do reverse of this number, what you will get? Again 2 1 2. But if you will have a number 157, if you will do the reverse, what you will get? 751. So, 157 is equal to 751? No. So, this is not a palindrome number. Okay. This is not a palindrome number, but this 121, 212, all these are palindrome numbers. Okay. If you write something like this, so what is the reverse of this number? Again the same thing, right? So, this is a palindrome number, but numbers like this are not palindrome numbers. Okay. I hope you understand what is a palindrome number and which one is not a palindrome number. Okay. So, now we will try to build some logic. We will try to write a Python program to check if any number whatever we are giving, that is palindrome or not. Okay. So, the very first thing we will take one variable, right, we will take one number. So, let me take it as, for example, 121. We know 121 is a palindrome number. So, first we will take 121. Then what we will do? We will take another variable, we will take reverse, because we want to do the reverse of that variable, right, and we will assign 0 to it. Let us assume that reverse value is 0 now. Then we will take another variable, that is temp. Okay. We will keep it just like that, but what we will do? We will just assign temp is equal to num. It means we will assign number to the temp variable. Okay. So, what is the number variable now? Number value now 121. So, basically you are assigning this 121 to this temp. I will tell why you are assigning this. Just wait for the program. Let the program complete, then I will explain you everything, right. So, first we will write a while loop. Okay. So, while num or number is greater than 0. So, we are telling while number is greater than 0, basically 121 is greater than 0, then what will happen? We will write the logic. So, we will write one more variable, that is remainder. Okay. Remainder is equal to num mod of 10. Okay. I will explain you, just wait. Okay. Remainder equal to num mod of 10. Then what we will do? We will write reverse. Reverse is equal to reverse, okay, into 10. Okay. Let us put it inside a bracket, okay, plus remainder. I will explain you with the example, do not worry. Then what we will do? Then we will write number is equal to number divided by 10. That is all. Now, we will write if, what we will write? Temp. We will not write number, we will write temp. I will tell you why. If temp is equal to your reverse, then we will print temp is a palindrome number. Okay. Then what we will do? Okay, this should be inside a double quote. Then what we will do? Else print this is not a palindrome number, is not a palindrome number. Okay, that's all. So, this is a palindrome number. I did spelling mistake, let me just update it. Okay, fine. Now, let us execute. Right click, run palindrome number. Okay, it is telling some syntax error. Where is the syntax error? Let us see. Okay, here I missed this one. Okay, run palindrome number. Okay, see 121 is a palindrome number. Okay, how you verified that 121 is a palindrome number, that we need to see. So, first we took one number which is 121, then we have taken another variable reverse which is equal to 0, then we have taken another variable temp and we have assigned number to temp. So, temp value is now 121. Okay, temp value is 121 now. Okay, just remember temp value is 121 now. Then what we are doing here, while number is greater than 0, what is the number value? 121. 121 is greater than 0, condition pass, yes. Then we came inside. We are telling remainder is equal to number mod of 10. What is the remainder value now? Number mod of 10. Number is 121. 121 mod of 10. What you will get? So, 10 you will get 12, 120, it means you will get value as 1. So, remainder value is equal to 1 now. Okay, remainder value is equal to 1 now. Now, again the second step, reverse. Reverse is equal to reverse into 10. What is the reverse value now? Reverse value is 0. 0 into 10 means what? 0 into 10 means 0 plus remainder. What is the remainder value? 1. So, the reverse value, how much you got? It is you got as 1. Okay. Then what you are telling? Number equal to number by 10. What is the number value now? Number value is 121. 121 divided by 10 means what? 121 divided 10 means you got 12, right. So, what is the value of number? Number value is 12. Okay. Then loop will go here, right. If again while number is greater than 0, now number value is 12, 12 is greater than 0, yes, then it will come inside. Remainder equal to number mod of 10, 12 mod of 10 means 12 mod of 10 means you will get as 2. Okay. Then reverse equal to reverse into 10. What is the reverse value? Reverse value is now 1 here, right. 1 into 10 means 10 plus remainder means plus 2. It means you got as 12. Okay. You understood, right? Reverse value was, here you can see the reverse value is 1. 1 into 10 equal to 10 plus remainder. Remainder value is 2. So, you got 12. Okay. Now, you are coming here. Number equal to number divided by 10. What is the number value now? Number value is 12. 12 divided by 10. It means 10, 1, 10. So, you will get is 1. Now, loop again went here. 1 is greater than 0. Yes, because number value is 1. 1 is greater than 0. Condition satisfied. Remainder is equal to number divided by 10. 1 mod of 10. 1 mod of 10 means what is the value? You will get 10, 0, 0. It means you will get is 1. Okay. So, remainder value is equal to 1. Now, again reverse. Reverse is equal to reverse into 10. What is the reverse value? Reverse value is 12. So, 12 into 10 means 120 plus what is the remainder value? Remainder value is equal to 1. It means you got your reverse value is 121. Then you are coming here. Number equal to number divided by 10. What is the number value? Number value is 1. 1 divided by 10. What you will get? 0. Right. So, you got number value as 0. Again your loop came here, right. Number is greater than 0. Is condition matching? No, condition is not matching. Condition is not matching here. So, you will come here, right. If temp is equal to reverse, what is the temp value? Temp value is equal to 121 because we have assigned temp value, we have assigned number value to the temp. So, temp value is equal to 121. If I would have taken number here, what would have happened? Number value is 0 now. So, I would have compared 0 with reverse. That is why I have taken another variable temp and I have assigned the number value to it. So, here I am comparing. If temp is equal to reverse, it means temp is equal to 121 and what is the reverse value? Reverse value is equal to 121. Is 121 equal to 121? Yes. Then print temp is a palindrome number, 121 is a palindrome number. Else, if this condition is not matching, for example, you will take 122. In that case, condition will not match. So, you will get 122 is not a palindrome number. Now, I hope you understood, right, how this program is working. You understood or not? Similarly, you take another example here in place of 121, you take anything else, right. So, even you can give a direct input here, number is equal to int, then you tell input and then you enter a number. Okay. So, you can enter a number. Okay. Now, you execute, run palindrome number. So, here you enter, for example, I will take 456. 456 is not a palindrome number. I will execute, run palindrome number. Here I will put 353. So, it should be a palindrome number. 353 is a palindrome number. So, you can give any number, right. And the way I explained you, just try to put it in the same logic. You will find how it become not a palindrome number, or how it become a palindrome number, right. Whatever the value you are giving. Okay, give a small value, so it will be easy to understand. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. In this way, you can write a program and you can check whether a number is palindrome or not. If you like this video, please press the like button, share with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you.